Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X, the place where we travel beyond science, beyond logic, and into the deepest mysteries hidden inside the universe. Tonight, we explore a question older than humanity itself, a question asked by kings, monks, scientists, and ordinary people sitting under the stars for thousands of years. Does God really exist in this vast universe? Is there truly a divine power watching over everything? Or is everything just an accident, a beautiful illusion of physics? To understand this, let's look at the universe the way a child looks at the sky, with curiosity, with openness, with the feeling that something magical is out there. When you stare into the night sky, you're not just looking at stars, you're looking at the past. Light traveling millions of years just to reach your eyes. Every star is a sun. Every sun holds planets. Every planet may hold life, and yet everything moves in perfect harmony, as if following an invisible rhythm. Who wrote that rhythm? Scientists say everything began with a tiny point, smaller than an atom, infinitely dense, holding all matter and all energy. Then came a flash, the Big Bang, and out of nothing, everything was born. But what existed before that moment? Why did the universe suddenly decide to create itself? What force whispered, "It's time to begin"? No one knows, not even the smartest physicists. The deeper science goes, the more it realizes it's staring at something far beyond human understanding. Because the universe behaves too perfectly to be random. The distance between Earth and the Sun is so precise that a tiny change would freeze or burn our planet completely. The oxygen in our atmosphere is balanced perfectly to support life. Even our DNA, a code billions of letters long, operates like a supercomputer program written by a genius beyond imagination. Is this just luck, or is it the signature of a creator? Throughout history, every culture sensed that something divine exists. The Greeks called it Logos. The Hindus saw Vishnu, the preserver of the cosmic balance. Christians saw God. Sufis saw Nur, the divine light. Buddhists saw consciousness woven into everything. Even tribes deep in the Amazon spoke of a sky spirit holding the world together. Different names, but the same presence. Even today, when astronauts go to space and see Earth from above, a small blue dot floating in endless darkness, almost all of them say the same thing. We felt something divine out there. One of them said, "When I saw Earth from space, I didn't see borders or nations. I saw one home protected by an invisible force." He cried inside his helmet. Maybe God isn't a figure in the sky. Maybe God isn't human-shaped. Maybe God is energy. The same energy that forms stars, runs through galaxies, beats in your heart, and breathes life into every living thing. Maybe God is the reason a mother senses danger before it happens. Why people pray instinctively when life feels heavy. Why deep inside we all feel a connection to something greater. Even science is slowly changing. Many top physicists now say the universe looks like it was designed with intention. One scientist said, "The universe is not just mathematical, it is spiritual in its structure." Another said, "The more I study atoms, the more I believe in God." And then comes consciousness, the biggest mystery of all. Why can humans think? Why can we feel love, sadness, hope, fear? Why can we imagine things that don't even exist yet? No computer can fully understand the mind. No machine can explain why you have a soul. It's as if every human being carries a spark of something eternal inside them. Maybe that spark is God. Maybe God is not outside. Maybe God is within every living thing. Look at a newborn baby, a tiny life that arrives with perfect design. Look at a forest. Every tree breathing, every animal connected in a circle of life. Look at the ocean, endless, powerful, full of secrets. Look at the galaxies, billions of them, each one dancing in cosmic harmony. When you see all of this, you have to ask yourself, is this really just coincidence? Or is this the greatest artwork of the greatest artist? Does God exist? Maybe the real answer is simple. If you feel love, if you feel awe, if you feel hope, if you feel something when you look at the stars, and yes, God exists in your heart, in the universe, and in every corner of existence. Maybe God is not a question to be solved. Maybe God is an experience, a truth you feel even when you cannot explain it. Friends, if you enjoyed this deep journey into the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X so we can continue exploring the unseen and the unknown together.